Hi everyone, today we're going to talk about 4 different staining techniques commonly used in the microbiology labs. The first one is gram stain. Here are the steps. Firstly, smear, air dry, and heat fix the sample on the microscope slide. Secondly, apply the primary stain, which is the crystal violet, for 30 to 60 seconds, then rinse it with water. Thirdly, apply the mordant, which is the grams iodine, for 60 seconds, then rinse with water. Fourthly, rinse with 95% of alcohol for 5 to 10 seconds until runoff appears clear, then immediately rinse with water. Fifthly, apply the counterstain, which is the safraline, for 60 seconds, then rinse with water. Blot it dry and observe under the microscope. Normally, if every step is correct, it's supposed to say 2 different colors. Purple means gram positive. Pink or red means gram negative. However, even though gram stain is so popular, some organisms do not gram stain well. Thereby, it comes to the second stain we're talking about today, acid-fast stain. Here are the steps. Firstly, smear, air dry, and heat fix our sample. Secondly, apply the primary stain, which is the carbofucsin, for 3 to 5 minutes, then rinse with water. Thirdly, rinse with the decolorizer, which is the acid alcohol, for 30 seconds, then immediately rinse with water. Fourthly, apply the counterstain, which is the methylene blue, for 30 to 60 seconds, then rinse with water. Blot dry and observing under the microscope. Now let's talk about the third one, capsule stain. This one is a little bit different because we have to remember that capsules are sensitive to heat, so it does not involve heat fixing. Here are the steps. Add a large drop of 1% Congo red onto one end of the slide. Then mix into the Congo red with a loopful of cells and use a second slide to spread the suspension across the slide and let the slide air dry. And later we apply the counterstain, which is the malleable stain, for 1 to 2 minutes, then rinse with water. Blot it dry and observe under the microscope. Now it comes to the last one today, endospore stain. Here are the steps. Firstly, smear, air dry, and heat fix the sample. Secondly, apply the primary stain, which is the malachite green, for 5 minutes, then rinse with water. Thirdly, apply the counterstain, which is the safraline, for 30 to 60 seconds, then rinse with water. Blot dry and observe under the microscope. An interesting thing about endospore stain is that once the endospores find themselves back in their favorite environment, they will germinate back into vegetative cells. Hope you guys enjoyed the video today. Thank you for watching.